How are you, dear students? Our lesson is add and subtract on a number line, page number 781 and 782. Let's start with this video.
The essential understanding for this lesson is, a sum can be represented as the total length of two line segments on a number line. A subtraction problem can be represented as the difference of two line segments on a number line. Previously, students used jumps on a number line to add and subtract numbers. In this lesson, students use arrow lines above a number line to add and subtract one-digit and two-digit numbers. This problem is key because it asks students to use a number line to subtract. Listen and look for students who use the number line to add up to subtract. These students draw an arrow line from 0 to the lesser number, 35. Then they draw another arrow line to show adding up to get to the greater number, 80. They count to find that this arrow line represents 45, so the difference is 45. Assure these students that they have found the correct difference. Then encourage them to find another way that they could subtract by drawing arrow lines that represent the numbers given in the problem. Listen and look for other students who first draw an arrow line to show the distance from 0 to 80. Then they draw another arrow line that represents counting back 35 to subtract. The arrow line stops at 45. So these students also find that the difference is 45. Listen for some of these students to state that 45 is the difference between the lengths of the arrow lines they drew. These students show an understanding of how to represent subtraction as the difference of two line segments on a number line. In other parts of this lesson, they represent addition as the total length of two line segments on a number line. Understanding how to represent addition and subtraction in this way will help students understand how to add and subtract lengths with a measurement tool.
So, dear students, with our first question here, I want to use the number line to add or subtract. Our question is 80 minus 35. So here we will start from 0 to number 80 and we will count on or count back. Excellent. We will count back because we have here minus. We will count back with 35 steps. So our answer here will be 45. Remember, we started from 0 to number 80 and count back with 35. That's 10, 20 here, 30, and this is 5. So we count back with 35 steps. So our answer here will be 45. The second question here, 19 plus 63. 19 plus 63. First, we will represent 19. We will start from 0 to number 19, and number 19 is before 20 with one step here, and it's plus, so we will count on, not count back, count on in plus. So we'll count on with 30 or 63. So I am here 19. Let's count. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here's 60. And with 3, 1, 2, 3. So our number here is 82. 82. With another question. Use the number line to show 15 inches plus 0 inches. Explain your thinking. Remember, we said before, any number plus 0 equals the same number. If I said 5 plus 0 equal, excellent, equal 5. So 15 here, 15 plus 0 equal 15, the same number. So adding 0 inches doesn't change 15 inches, but we want to represent it on number line. So we will start from 0 to number 15. Another question. Show each number blue at the length from 0 on the number line and draw 4 separate out. The first number here is 9. 9. So we will start from 0 to number 9, and this number is before 10 with one step, like this one here. The second number is 14. 14. So we will start again from 0 to number 14 as it's before 15 with one step. The third number is 24. 24. And the same idea here, it's before 25 with one step. The last number is 28. 28. So we start from 0 to number 28 and it's before 30 with 2. Before 30 with 2 steps. With another video.
Amelia walks 17 blocks before dinner. She walks 8 blocks after dinner. How many blocks did she walk in all?
Let's solve a problem.
You can use a number line to add lengths. First, show the 17 blocks that Amelia walks before dinner. What operation will you use to solve this problem?
Select your answer.
Addition. Why does the line stop between the 15 mark and the 20 mark? That is where 17 is. It is 2 spaces past 15. Amelia walks 17 blocks before dinner. Then add the 8 blocks she walks after dinner. Amelia walks 17 plus 8 equals 25 blocks in all. How can a number line help you show an addition problem? A number line helps you see how to add numbers. You can also use a number line to subtract lengths. Amanda buys 17 feet of rope. She cuts off 8 feet of rope to make a jump rope. How many feet of rope does she have left? First, show the 17 feet of rope using the number line. Then, subtract the 8 feet of rope Amelia cuts off. What does the purple arrow line show? It shows the number of feet of rope Amelia bought. Why is the gold arrow line pointing the other way? It points the other way to count back the number of feet of rope Amelia cuts off. You subtract the 8 feet of rope she cuts off. There are 17 minus 8 equals 9 feet of rope left. Now you know how to add and subtract on a number line.
So, dear students, with another question here. A football team gains 15 yards on its first play. The team gains 12 yards on its second play. This looks like American football. How many yards does the team gain in 2 plays? So here your question is, you will add or subtract here. We have 2 numbers here, 15 and 12. Excellent. You will add these 2 numbers to each other, 15 plus 12 on number line. So we'll start from 0 and we'll go to number 15 and we will count on, because it's a plus. Count on with 12. So our answer here will be 27. Another question. Maya buys 25 feet of board. She uses 16 feet of board for a sandbox. How many feet of board does she have left? How many feet of board does she have left? Is that add or subtract? We will write plus or minus. Excellent. It's subtract. So we will write 25 minus 16. So we'll start from 0 to number 25 and we will count back with 16 steps. So our answer will be 9. Another question here. The runners on the track team ran 12 miles on Monday. On Tuesday, they ran 6 more miles than they ran on Monday. 6 more miles than they ran on Monday. The question here, how many miles did they run in all of both days? So it's plus how many miles did they run in all on both days. Let's read it again. The runners on the track team ran 12 miles on Monday. On Tuesday, they ran 6 more miles than Monday. So on Tuesday, they ran what? How many miles in Tuesday? Excellent. We'll add them together. So 12 plus 6, which equal 18. And now we have two numbers, 12 and 18. And we will add them together. 12 plus 18 equal 30. On number line, you will start from 0 point. And you will go to number 12 first. And add 6. It will be 18. And add another 12. It will be 30. Another question here, number 10. Deb has 2 pencils. One pencil is 9 cm long and the other pencil is 13 cm long. What is the total length of both pencils? The question again, what is the total length of both pencils? So it's add plus, so we will write 13 plus 9, which equal 22. On number line, we will start from 0 to number 13 and we will count on with 9 steps. So our answer is 22. Excellent, dear students. Don't forget our homework, pages number 783 and 784. See you tomorrow.